In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new approval workflow in Expensify. We'll walk through each step carefully to ensure that by the end of this tutorial, you'll be fully equipped to manage your expense approvals efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Expensify platform. Once you're logged in and on the homepage, you'll see your workspace name prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This workspace is essentially your main hub, where you manage the core functionalities related to your expenses. After selecting your workspace, a sidebar will appear. Look for the section labeled Workflows and click on it. This is where you'll manage and create different workflows for your team. Once you're in the Workflows section, the next step is to create an approval workflow. Click on the option that says Add Approval Workflow. This action will take you to a new page dedicated to the specifics of creating and managing approval lines. The interface will guide you to highlight the critical parts throughout this process. As you go through these steps, you'll notice highlighted elements. Click on Highlight. Doing so emphasizes specific sections that need your attention, ensuring you don't miss any crucial details. Next up, proceed by clicking on Next. This will direct you to the next stage in your setup. Remember, each stage builds upon the last, making sure your approval workflow is comprehensive and well organized. As you move forward, you'll come across a point where you need to assign the approval workflow to a specific individual in your team. You'll see a placeholder name like DemoTech. Click on this name. It represents the individual or role that will handle these approvals within your team. Then, click on DemoTech again to confirm. Now, you might see another section for additional approvers. If your workflow requires more than one person to approve expenses, you can designate another team member here. Click on Additional Approver if you need more oversight on certain expense types or values. Again, pay attention to highlighted areas. These are cues that guide you in ensuring that every necessary step is completed thoroughly. Click on Highlight wherever needed. Finally, after setting everything up, review all the inputs and selections you've made. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, and you're certain that the workflow aligns with your team's requirements, click on Add Workflow. This step finalizes your new approval process, ensuring all expenses are channeled through the right approval path. And there you have it. You've just set up an approval workflow in Expensify. With this workflow in place, managing expenses is a breeze, allowing